hadien ki jingsaphriang jong ki khubor halor ke jingthmu ban Pynkhie Biang ya kawei ke seng kieng atiar kebadan Rilum Garo yak belatip kum ka Garo National Liberation Army lane ke belajukot kum ka Gnla u Director General of Police ke Jylla Dr LR Bishnoi ha ke sngewbha jong tayo habakaran hagilat pathai khubor Nongpoh Shillong Jymmang ba ki Superintendent of Police jong ki Santelik District Rilum Garo kinsapha ya ka kaiphot hapo ke tayo ban Pynkhie Iaka Khubor halor ke jingthmu jong ki Ehrang barim ke Gnla ban Pynkhie Biang pat ya kene ke kenhun kieng atiar uteu he pulit jong Jylla ulong ro ba hadin bakatanat kan yo pediang ya ka kaiphot ke betikna hagi khti onsala ban penmi lane onsala ban kerjai syagi pajba halor kene ke kam bakaladon ke jingthmu ban Pynkhie Biang ya ke seng Gnla dangsian ki khubor ki yatu bagi ladon pelat sanspa ngut ki samla na keleng ki distrik Rilum Garo ki bala penyeso ilade bat ke kenhun Gnla bat ye kiti kidkhot lapha manta sya Nagaland bat Myanmar ban hikai pentebit hagi tiar siat bat la kamru bagi don bon ki nong khai bat ki hespa ki bala beitengka ban penimbiang pat sisin ya ka seng Gnla
we have just received the order. I have not gone through complete order. We will examine the order and we will file affidavit. The High Court, in their recommendations, has suggested some measures, so we will strictly go as per the High Court.
Sir, in fact, there is a news about this Gnla regrouping. If you can tell us more about this.
Already I have clarified that was input only, and inputs remain input until it is verified. So we have written to the district for verification. Once the verification report received at our end, then only I will be in position to comment on it.
By when
is it a concern that such inputs are coming to the police about regrouping of this once upon
So that is why inputs have come, inputs have been received from sources, and we always do verification of such inputs. With the routine, so many inputs keep coming, and once, as and when any input received, we generally verify it through the field officer, and the same thing is done in that input.
But the inputs are stating that over 500 cadres are being trained.
That is why I told you input remains input until it is verified. So after verifications only, once the reports are received from all the district, we will be in position to what is the authenticity of this report.
By when is it likely to, are you likely to?
So all the district SPs, they are verifying this input in their respective areas, and once verification is complete, they will submit report to us.
By when is it likely to get?
So timeline, though we have not fixed any timeline. It may take time because some interior areas are there. They have to check and cross-check from each and every remote area. I think within a week probably they will submit it.
So any fresh incident in the Khanduli border area?
Khanduli, there is no fresh incident. In fact, today both DC and SP of West India and the Emerald districts, they met with each other. It was a good meeting. They have invited the village headmen from both sides, many Khasi headmen and this side, the Panar villages headmen also attended the meeting, and they agreed to maintain peace and order. And after that, if need arises, we will go again and have meeting with the villagers to remove any kind of mistake. The whole matter is sub judice. Today, Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers, Home Ministers, he has invited us, he has called the BSF officers also. And this matter was discussed in detail, and we discussed about the court and the BSF provisions also. So they assured us to take follow-up actions as per their.
But is it not necessary to hand over to police?
So that is what we insisted, that as per court order, they should be handed over. So let's see, and he will discuss with the higher authority, because central government employees, there are certain provisions are there, so they have to go as per their.
So in total, how many of them have been arrested?
So the court has given the orders for all the three accused.